my name is Laura and I am a leasing associate here at Claremont Apartments. Today we will be looking at our 2-bedroom H-style apartment. So right when you walk inside this 1,200 square foot apartment, you'll see a nice little dining area over here, and then on the other side you'll see your great kitchen. So the kitchen here has quite a few cabinets, so you have plenty of kitchen storage space, as well as all of the appliances that you'll need. There's also a garbage disposal in the sink and an ice maker in the freezer. Then we enter the living area. As you can see, there is a nice pass-through window from the kitchen that looks into here, so you can be entertaining your guests and getting appetizers ready, anything like that, and still be connected. Then the living area, as I mentioned, is massive and it has some very large windows here, lots of them, so you can have plenty of natural light and have a great feel of being outdoors and close to nature. Right, then here we are in the master bedroom. It has a great size to fit either a king or a queen size bed. And then we'll head this way, since this is the master suite, over to the bathroom area. There's a great double closet right here with plenty of storage space as well as fixtures to hang your clothing. Also a great little sink area out here, so you can both be getting ready at the same time or just have a little bit of that separation to begin with. And then that leads into the bathroom area right here. And then we enter the guest bedroom side. This is a split style apartment, so the guest bedroom is on the opposite side of the apartment from that master that we just took a look at. Very similar in size, again with huge closet. With this one actually has a little bit more storage and hanging fixtures, so you can organize your closet however you would like. Finally, we enter the guest bathroom. This is where in this H-style apartment, your in-home washer dryer will be housed. There's also a great sized vanity with a medicine cabinet, as well as plenty of underneath storage.